Clear all segment information. Let's learn how to remove all segment information that has been added to the document through the translation process. As with all other batch actions, you can decide which language the clearing process should apply to. Please be aware this action will permanently delete all segment information for the selected language. If you choose the target language, it will delete all translation work, comments, and revisions. Essentially, you'll be left with the source text and nothing more. As with the other batch actions, you can also alter the status or bookmarks as well. Once the process is finished, you'll see that all the information has been cleared from your selected segments. These segments have been returned to the initial stage of the translation process. And as you might expect, the timeline widget, including the revision and segment information, is completely blank.